go. Keep it up. Keep it up. Holy moly. Don't go too high. Keep your hand in the same spot. Good job, Bubba. Okay, start it off where we had it before. Start it off where we had it before and point it. Okay, hold on. I want to see your face. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Set, go. Oh my goodness. Okay, stop. Okay, you have to make sure, remember? Keep your finger in the same spot, remember? Go on.
This one's actually controlling it. The back helps it stay up.
Yes. Okay, go. Good job. Keep it steady. Holy cow.
And drop.
Good job, baby.
Crap.